Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to unbox my new TRX4 Bronco. It's a 2021 Bronco. It's made by Traxxas. It just came out. It's been out for a few weeks now. My wife, who's awesome, got this for me for Father's Day. So what a sweet Father's Day gift to give. So thank you, wife. I got the red version and I think it looks pretty awesome. It also comes in yellow. Yellow looks great too. They're both pretty cool. So I can't wait to unbox this and see what you get inside. You know, quick little look at the box. You got some nice graphic art, and then if you twist it around, you got the yellow one on the other side. So pretty standard TRX4 stuff. So this just shows you what the chassis looks like. Goes over some of the things inside of it, and then I think it also highlights some of the body details. It is a clipless body system, so which is pretty awesome. That's what's new, really, in this whole package. The other stuff is pretty standard fare. You got your Titan 21 turn brushed motor. You got your XL5 HV 3S compatible, speed controller. So all pretty standard Traxxas fare. So you got a good look on the outside of the box there. On this side, it kind of goes over what those details and what comes in the box. So if we can go in and take a look here, what comes in the box. Obviously, you get your TRX4, you get the XL5 speed controller, Titan 21 turn 550 style motor, quality tool set. I mean, that's nice, I guess. Your quick start guide, and then also your TQI 4-channel remote, which is link compatible. So if you wanted to get some telemetry stuff, you can go ahead and get the link module, connect it to your smartphone, put it inside the remote, and you can get some telemetry stuff, battery, all that kind of good stuff. So let's go ahead and start opening it. Oh, I guess you should also know that you're going to need a battery and charger. I mean, I have Traxxas batteries, so this is a 5,000 milliamp hour 3S battery. It'll run on 2S or 3S. I just went with 3S, give it a little bit more power. So. And then also, we've got my basic Traxxas charger here. I think this is the 40 watt. Let me make sure. Yeah, so this is the 40 watt charger. So this, it's going to take some time to charge a 5,000 milliamp 3S, but it'll get the job done. Probably take about an hour to charge it up. So just have that in mind. But with a 5,000 and this kind of brushed crawler system, that battery is going to last, I don't know, a few hours. It's probably going to last a good amount of time. So I should also highlight, if you're looking at this versus like a TRX4 Sport model, some of the differences you might or might not know is that this also comes with the 2-speed transmission and then also the locking differential. So that's a little bit different. Then you have these inner fenders. Obviously, that's going to be for the clipless body system. But the rest of the electronics are going to be the same. So the differences are really going to be the locking differentials and then also the 2-speed transmission. So those are going to be your two differences there. And you're also going to get the TQI remote in here versus just the TQ 2-channel remote. So you get a 4-channel remote with this system as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the box. Oh, one more thing. There are some pretty cool accessories too. Right here it highlights the light system, which is a fully controllable light system. Another reason why you might want to upgrade and get the link as well, because you can control the light system if you do choose to get it. I think it's like $100. And then there's also a I don't know if they have it on here, but there's also a winch system that they have that's $100. So, and it attaches right to the bumper. So it's kind of a almost plug and play. Real simple. It comes with a little remote. I think that's also $100. So, I mean, if you were really to go all out, and you were to get this, which I think is $550, $100 for the light set, $100 for the winch. And then if you're going to get one of these batteries, the 3S 5000s, I think are like $65 or $70. And then a charger. I mean, you're running up a bill of close to $900,000 to really get going. So if you're just going to take into account and get this for somebody, make sure you realize that the 550 will get them running without the battery and charger. You're going to need at least another $100. I think they have a starter bundle with a 2S battery in the charger that's like 90 or $100. So you're going to be spending at least $700 after taxes just to get up and going with this truck. But it looks awesome. So let's go ahead and get this box open, see what everything looks like inside. Got my handy dandy knife here. I clipped it open from this side, so let's hope this is the right side. You can never tell. So go ahead and slide this out. Traxxas typically does a really good job. Oh, I can already tell it's awesome. So got the back of the vehicle here. Woo! Oh wow. That red looks awesome, I think. So we're going to go ahead and open up the other side. I think that's where the remote is. Yep. So pretty standard affair there if you're used to any of the TQI 4-channel remotes from Traxxas. So, all right. So now let's go ahead and take off the plastic. That's everything in the box minus the styrofoam. So really, I mean, just look at this thing. Looks awesome. So it comes with the Canyon Trail tires, but some blacked out rims. I think that that's the only thing that is not Bronco specific is the tire and rims. Because I think all the details on the body, even down to the trail guides, are designed right after the real 2021 Bronco. So a little bit of ASMR, whatever it is. I don't know if you're into it. Oh yeah, nothing better than peeling off the plastic on a brand new truck. Whew. This thing is awesome. Oh wow. What do we got here? It looks like there's an extra. There's plastic on top of the plastic. Really nice, really well protected. Bravo Traxxas on that one. So we'll go ahead and throw that to the side. But yeah, so take a look at the front here. So you got your Bronco logo there, and then it's actually a fake looking winch that's built into it coming. So you got your light buckets. I mean, look at the, I don't know if you could see, but there's that sparkle in that red paint. It's really, really awesome. So the windows are clear, but they're tinted. So you can see through them, but it is tinted, so that's kind of nice, so you don't see all of the electronics. You can see the antenna a little bit sticking up. So, and then on the back here, you got that spare tire. That's pretty awesome. Looks cool, looks real scale. TRX4 emblem there, and then you got your Ford emblem. Oh, and you also got a little Bronco sticker right in the back over here. So that's a nice little touch, huh? And then, I mean, just the details, the windshield wipers, and then the mirrors actually fold in and out, which is also kind of nice, because if you know anything about mirrors on trails, is they tend to get banged right off. So if this has the ability to move in and kind of collapse, that's really nice. Now the trick is how do I get off the body and see what's inside? So I think that there's 2 clips inside the wheel wells. So let's see. Yep. And I don't know how I'm going to be able to get this on the camera there. It's kind of hard to see, but underneath the wheel well, you can feel them. They kind of have like a little, you can feel the grooves on your fingers. So, and I think you pull them towards yourself. Yep, and then it just kind of lifts. So I don't know if you got to do both sides. Probably. So let's go ahead. I don't want to mess this up. There we go. And there you go. Body's off. So, and then if you look on the inside there, that's where those clips are. So you can probably see it there. Hopefully that's large enough for you to see. But yeah, I mean, look at the details on this. Down to the door handles. Like I said, the trail guides. I mean, the light buckets, which, yeah, look like they can be taken off so you can put in that Pro light set. And I'm sure that that's relatively easy to install. I'll eventually get that as well. So then here, looking inside, is pretty standard Traxxas TRX4 attire. So nice shocks, 21 turn motor. You got your HL5 or XL5 HV. Then you got your little 2-speed servo, and then also your differentials. So your locking diffs there too. So really cool, really heavy duty. You got the nice battery tray here and mounts, so keeps them in nice and strong. This is my first TRX4, but I just have probably watched a bunch of the videos on this, so yeah. I know this probably won't be your first one that you're gonna watch, but then you got the portal system on the bottom as well. So if you're unfamiliar, this has the portals, which gives you a little bit more clearance. But yeah, I mean, really the star of the show here is your 2021 Bronco body. I mean, it's going to be a shame to get the first scratch on this thing because it just looks awesome. So go ahead and clip this back on. Let's see how easy that is to do. Should probably rip off that, but you know, save it for later. So I think that's it. And that's on there. It's pretty solid. So nice. Awesome. So we'll put this to the side. Not too far. But we'll see what else we get here. So this, let's see if we can go ahead and open this up here. Watch me struggle with the plastic bag. So this is your instructions here. So you get nice detailed, oh, we got the exploded view too. I always like having that. So in case you have to see individual parts and part numbers, really nice to have. So good detailed exploded view, all of your basics. So, and then you also have some, you know, power-up Traxxas stuff. I don't think they have any power-up stuff to upgrade to brushless for Traxxas, but a lot of people change the electronics in these eventually anyway. So yeah, you got all, I mean, look how much accessories and aftermarket part support you have. That's a great thing with just Traxxas in general, is the aftermarket support is there. And whenever you buy something Traxxas like the light set or the winch, it's all usually plug and play or relatively close to it. Detailed instructions, really easy to do. So for this model, I'm probably, well, I already know I'm gonna get the winch, I'm gonna get the light set. So, and eventually I'm probably gonna update the servo because I hear that there's a lot of complaints about the stock servo, it gets hung up. So after my first couple of runs, we'll see how it does. I really wanna keep it as stock as possible. Maybe some weight, I don't know. We'll have to see how it goes, but I mean, it looks awesome just the way it is. So what else you got there? You got your manual, some cool Traxxas stickers. I mean, this is a nice touch. Put those wherever. Your warranty information. It's probably important if you lose your receipt or what have you. It's not going to do you any good then. So, and then here's some nice tools, some basic stuff. I would probably recommend getting upgraded tools anyway, but this is enough to get you to take tires off and do some of the basic changes. You got, I mean, these are actually pretty nice. These little T-style Allen wrenches, they're nice. I actually have bought them separate because they're pretty convenient. And then here's the detailed, nice pictured manual. Goes over everything, how to make sure that it's in LiPo. So in LiPo mode for your batteries, setting up the remote, getting the body on and off. As you see, if you watch that, you don't have to read this. It's not rocket science for that anyway. So, but yeah, I mean, always read your user's manual. Unless you're me and then you break something and have to replace it. But yeah, so lots of details, nice colored user's manual. And yeah, so that's everything that comes in the box. The meat and potatoes are really going to be this awesome TRX4 Bronco 2021 body, which is just super detailed. I mean, they're really going to crush it with this. I mean, and I kind of was, thinking I would like the yellow. My wife got the red, and I think the red looks awesome. So again, I can't stress enough, if you're buying this, just make sure that you are going to need a battery and battery charger. So the 550, it's not really RTR. It's considered maybe RTR, but you still need the battery and charger. So plan on another $100 on top of that plus tax, and that's what's going to get you going. And then everything else, I mean, it's fully detailed in here, and it's fully capable as well, just with the brush electronics. I mean, you've probably seen a ton of running videos of it with the brush basic electronics, stock electronics, and it does a great job. So gonna run it that way, but thanks a lot for watching me just do the quick unboxing here. I mean, hopefully it was helpful if you're looking into getting one and you wanted to know what came in the box. And until next time, have a good one.